I'm going to show you guys a super simple DIY to spice up your yard this Christmas. So this may be made from stuff you might already have laying around the house. Let me show you the materials. You will need one PVC pipe, a roll of red duct tape, some cheap Christmas lights, 100% pure acetone, some cheap acrylic paint from your local craft store, and a clear Christmas ball. This one's not clear because I spray painted it, but you're gonna need one of these. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the PVC pipe to your desired height. Then, because most PVC comes with writing like this, you're going to take your pure acetone, put it on a paper towel, and wipe off the writing. Now, the writing's not going to come off 100%, but get it off as best you can. As you can see, it's kind of hard to notice once it's already on the pipe here. It's also going to take a little bit of time to scrub it down because at first it's going to spread out, and then you're going to have to keep wiping and wiping and wiping until it's gone. So keep refreshing your paper towel with plenty of acetone. You're also going to wrap the red tape around it like a candy cane. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your paint and you're going to pour some in the acrylic ball. Now I have mine in a cup just to make it a little easier. But what you're going to do is you're going to kind of spin the cup around, the ball around, and then you're going to try to fill up all the spaces. So you see I don't have any paint covering that area, so I'm going to try to kind of cover this and turn it sideways so it spreads out. And you're just going to kind of keep messing with it until you get the whole thing covered. Now, you might think to yourself, the pole is opaque and it's not going to light up, but that's not true. Even as thick as the sidewalls are on this pole, it still shows the light through, so you'll still be able to see it. And when this ball is all dry later, I'm going to take one of those lights, I'm going to put it through this hole, and then I'm going to feed the rest of it back into the pole. I'm also going to apply a little bit of hot glue around the rim there, and then I'm just going to stick the ball onto the end of the pole right there. The next step is going to be taking one of these threaded rods that you could get at your local hardware store. We're going to jam this into the ground, and we're simply going to slide the pole over it, and there you go. Stay tuned for part 2 when I show you guys it all lit up later tonight. Okay guys, here's the finished piece. That's it. Pretty simple. As you guys can see, it lights up, it glows, and if you have a bunch of them in a row, it'll look really cool. Just something to add a little bit extra Christmas look to your decorations. Now, I think I might actually make a sign that goes across here, so stay tuned for that, guys. I think I'm going to use my Cricut, maybe, put reindeer parking like this sign has or something. I'm not leaving it here. I just put it here to show you guys, but that's the finished piece, and I think it looks, pretty cool for a nice little wintry addition to your Christmas decorations. So that's it.